video, I will be showing you around my house. The reason why I'm doing this is because I have a couple of crystals laying around the house. Before I clear anything out, before I give anything away, I thought I should show you guys where I place them. I am in a process of purging, so I thought, you know what, before I clean anything up or before I keep anything away from everything, I thought I should do a house tour slash room tour with all of my crystals. All of them are not here because I think I have something left somewhere in the basement. Let's not waste time. There's a lot of different crystals inside my room. This is gonna be a quick tour. The very first thing that you're gonna be seeing in my room is the window. So that's my window right there. I know what you're gonna say. How come there's no curtains? I hate washing curtains. I'm allergic to dust. I'm severely allergic environmentally. And I think it has a really clean look. If you get closer, if you just kind of open the window or the blinds, you'll see some of my crystals. I'm very sorry if it's really messy. In the process of purging, there's a lot of clutter. I really love this window. My most favorite room in our house is my room because there's a lot of sunlight. I like the other rooms too, but we'll get to that in a bit. Here you go. Those are some of the crystals that I've collected in the past. Of course, I have some right here. Lots of Amazonite. I have my clear quartz collection there. Clear calcite like this one. If you have seen my crystal collection video, then you'll know that I already showed you that. It's a little dusty. Granulated quartz, crystal pebbles that I have collected in the past like this one. I chose to place them there. That's because sunlight cleanses your crystals. This next altar of crystals is a little bit of a mess. Well, not really messy, but you'll see why. So in this corner right here, I have my bigger crystal pieces. So use the dying roses. I love them there. I'm gonna be doing a quick video about, dried roses in a bit. So I have this facial jade roller and then a couple of crystals from the gem show. I have my apophyllite, more apophyllite, and then towards the back you'll see that there's more crystals, like the little ones. There's candle quartz right there, aragonite, and then I saw that I have also there's also an incense holder with. So for that's where I keep my Herkimer diamonds and some shards of crystals. There's a palm stone hiding over there, and then of course this really big calcite and clear quartz crystals. So just an overview of how it's gonna look like. There you go. It's really hard for me to hold, but I'm afraid that I'm gonna drop it. So yeah. And of course this really big calcite. So basically that's what it looks like. Sorry, the table is really messy. For the calcite, I just kind of wanted to show you how big this one is. Oh my gosh, it's really heavy too. This is my calcite. I don't know what I was thinking, but I was just oh my gosh, I love it. They said that calcite heals you from afar, and I definitely need that. Anyways, before I drop it, I'm just gonna return it to the altar. So I'm just gonna place it right there. So all of the rooms in the house have this fan. So I have my Auralite in here, Auralite 23. I forgot the name of that crystal. A jade from my mom, rose quartz crystal, my amethyst. One of the things that kind of faded because I used to put this one near the sunlight by the window. I have some clear quartz right here. Anyways, I thought they were very beautiful. I really like them. And then of course a fluorite crystal and a prehnite. There's another altar in here, and these are mostly amethyst, but I thought I should show you anyways because I have added a couple of things in here. I have a lot of crystals now. I honestly don't know where to put them. So I have my celestite in here. This one is kind of one of my favorite And then I have an amethyst. Oh, I'm addicted to that. So I used to collect like clusters. They're like about maybe $2 to $6 each, maybe 10, 20. But amethyst is one of my favorite. I have a little bit of a salt lamp in here, and then also an amethyst crystal. This one's really beautiful. I hope you guys can see. There you go. Right in here, I just kind of like keep like crystal bracelets that was given to me by people, gifts, and pasalubong from my tita. Whenever she goes somewhere, she brings me some kind of like crystal bracelet. So that's where I put them for easy access, just in case I needed to wear something. So I have like I think this is a prehnite or a jade, and then my favorite is like this aquamarine right here. Don't you guys worry, because I might do a crystal bracelet collection video. Up next, we're gonna be going to my bookshelf right there. It's kind of messy right now, so I'm very, very sorry. This is me. So there you go. So that's where I keep my pens. That's really small crystals. I have like a Himalayan quartz pendant, and then some kind of like clear quartz crystals. I forgot what this one's called, but it's really beautiful. Celestite earrings that I got from way back. Got a jar full of amethyst in here. Pebbles. I can't believe I have this much crystals. Anyways, and then towards here I have this is where I put my makeup. I just have pencils right there, some of my collections, my towers, and of course Palo Santo. Palo Santo is my favorite. I prefer it more than the sage. Sage is like a spice. It reminds me of spice, and I like it, but at the same time. So let's go down. You're gonna see an amethyst. Really love amethyst. This one's really beautiful. So I don't know why, but I just left it there like that. And then we're gonna go here near the living room. There you go. Like more crystals. Palm crystals, more towers. The feldspars are in here. I have like a clear quartz crystal in here. I actually forgot about this one. So many. Then I have like an aquamarine pendant in here. And that's pretty much it. That is everything, I believe. That's everything for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed that. When I move, I'll probably do another home house tour, kind of, so that you guys can be updated. I don't even think that it's important or if it matters, but I thought I should share anyways. I think I have some more crystals laying around somewhere, but for the sake of my sanity, I'm just not gonna be showing them. That means I have to find them and look for them. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, guys. Thank you so much for the gift of your time. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys are having a great day. Bye bye.